myself, Professor Praful Randi, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Rushiramji Gayakad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. Today, I am delivering a lecture on sand mold preparation. Today, with the help of sand molding, we can prepare a casted product. In my consideration, sand molding and casting, we can also say that this is called as a foundry, because sand molding and casting both of preparation is held on foundry. My consideration for sand molding is that sand molding preparation required some amount of contained sand. So, what I am saying to about sand preparation, these are also same as this is also sand, this is also sand and sand. In sand molding technique, we require sand. So, for preparation of sand, we require beldonate powder, silica sand, water, wooden fine particles, coal black dust. So, all these contents are required with some quantity of water. All these contents are required for preparation of sand. All these contents which are used for preparation of sand, for this purpose, all contents we have mixed properly with water. So, all in mixed condition, because very fine mixing condition, because dirt, impurities, waste impurities should be removed from the mixed sand content. That's why we required all contents should be mixed with very properly. In shown diagram, we have in first diagram indicate that make diagram number A, make bottom mold. In this diagram, where we use a drag box, this is called as a drag box. In this drag box, we have used a pattern. This pattern name as master pattern, because such master pattern is prepared in carpentry shop. After that, some quantity of mixed sand with contained mixed sand, we have to require fine sand, so that raddling is required. After raddling, we will get very fine mixed sand. This fine sand we can pour over this master pattern. Because why we need a very fine sand? Question arises in our mind. Because by using fine sand, we can get of very fine quality of mold cavity. That's the need of required. We used a fine sand over the master pattern. After that, this mixed sand we are pouring over the pattern, as well as ramming is required. This required over this sand. After properly ramming, we will get a exact required sand mold. Otherwise, all sand mold and contents will be collapsed. This is the first make bottom mold. Make bottom mold. In this second diagram, it shows that this is the drag box and there is the cope box. Why we are saying that cope and drag is always same in all factor, but one difference is that one getting system is also provided in the cope section. That's why this is the upper side section. That's why we can say that this is the cope, and bottom side we can also say that drag. Okay. After that, this is the getting bar. Why we say that getting bar? Getting bar is used with the help of wooden tapered rod. Wooden tapered rod is also placed in this section, as well as another wooden tapered rod is also placed in this section. Suitable for sand molding. In diagram number C, put out pattern. In this section, it shows that pattern is removed. In C. Put out pattern. This is in diagram number C. It's shown. It is found that we get exact amount of. This is the complete. Here we say that this is the single piece pattern, and here is also one of the another piece pattern is also placed in this section. Okay. This is the complete pattern here we have placed in this section. Then after removing the pattern, we will get such type of mold cavity inside in this section. Here we have, after removing metal rod, wooden rod, so we will get, this is the runner, and in this side we will get some risers. Same structure we have also visible on these sides. It is found that after pouring molten metal, after removing such pattern, molten metal we can pour on this section molten metal comes in mold cavity, and we can also see what amount of quantity is filled in this sand mold. We can see easily in our eyes. Here riser will be located. Molten metal we can also see in the status. In this way, sand mold is completed, and after pouring molten metal, we will get a casting of shown in this diagram. After preparation, after pouring molten metal, and due to some within 1 minute solidification, after pouring in the mold cavity, we will get exact quantity of casting as shown in diagram. Thank you.